Yes, it is. They are following API3, Emergo, and look what do we have here at the bottom here. Who is following API3? What is up, guys? Norse Digital Assets coming at you with another video. This video is going to be on API3. API3 was previously listed on the front of my Twitter page here with these other assets. On this channel, we are going to be covering 20 plus assets, including ADA, XRP, HBAR, VeChain, and CKB, and we are going to be extremely focused on exit strategies and profit taking during this bull run. We are going to be focused like a hawk on these things, and I have some indicators that I think are really going to prove to be extremely accurate when the top is in on various coins. So subscribe for that reason alone. Down here in the bottom right hand corner, click subscribe, click my logo, click subscribe, or click subscribe below, and then follow me on Twitter. Follow my Twitter page, because honestly, I can later in the bull run, I can put a post up on Twitter in 10 seconds to make a whole YouTube video, edit, upload, all that. More like, you know, maybe 20 minutes, maybe an hour, just depending on what the video is. So anyways, let's dive into API3. Let's look at the chart, because API3 looks really good, real good. So here is API3. Let us go to the daily. Let's take a look at a couple things here. Let's reset the chart. And API3, a little bit of a struggle in here from Bitcoin, you know, kind of dumping, going down to 40,000, finding that super strong concrete granite support floor in that 40,700 range, finding that support. So yeah, it kind of came down with it and everything. It was looking really good in this upward channel, but it kind of corrected and came back down, but all is well. I will say, just on this chart in general right here, obviously this was a great point for entry. I got my API3 way back in here somewhere for around, let's see here. I got my API3 for 250, to be honest. So 250, I guess I got my API3 right here. So I'm not really accumulating any more API3, but for somebody who doesn't have it yet, you can get it on KuCoin. Mine is now staked, and I'll show that in this video. And then we'll do a price prediction at the end of the video, so stick around for that. I think API3 is a gem. It's a sleeper. And we're going to cover why in this video. But as far as accumulating, we are under a bearish cross in the daily time frame coming into Q4 before a bull run. This is all a good time to accumulate. Let's take a look here at the 4 hour real quick. Take a look at this first though. We have the stock RSI right here coming up out of this blue band and hanging out up here, and we want to get a pattern like this or like this if we can stay up there, because it's done plenty of correcting. So that's good. And just like all these other coins, the market moves in unison a lot of the time. Obviously, we were in this just falling downtrend for a while. We broke out of it because something had to give anyways. We're at the bottom. Broke out of it, and you're slowly making that little climb upwards. So looking good. Doesn't look like we're going back down there yet or right now. Let's go to the 4 hourly, because this is going to tell a better story. What do we have here? Well, pretty obvious cup, and we're on the bottom of a handle. Will we complete this handle, and will we have strength from Bitcoin and from the entire market? If we have strength from Bitcoin and the entire market, and we continue this run into Q4 like everyone's calling for, then yeah, when we complete this handle, real simple, nothing complicated here. We're just keeping it simple. So what do we have here? What do we have for a price target if we complete that handle? Well, looks like $4.92. Very cool. Obviously, we've been a lot higher in the past. Just in the recent past, we were up here. We wicked all the way up to 698. Which is pretty impressive for API3. It's still a great project to jump into for many reasons. But take a look at this video real quick. Check this out from Kevin Cage. Kevin Cage is very bullish on API3. Check this out.
I know you guys have seen all the news of API3, and I'm telling you, this is a gem. I know the price hasn't budged yet, but this is exactly how it felt when I was buying QNT at $5, and today it's at $300 just a few years later. Backed by Digital Currency Group, which also owns Grayscale. If it ever gets added to that fund, oh baby. CoinDesk controls all the news media sources we see. Also Emergo, and Cardano is absolutely mooned, so you tell me. And then Pantera, the largest cryptocurrency hedge fund or first mover in this entire space years ago. And they are up on their Bitcoin fund over 58,000% according to their website. So they're already smashing their goals. Yes, the price is still sitting there. They are milking this APY and gathering as much API3 with the weekly auto compounding as much as possible. And that is what I believe. From tracking the wallets, I think these whales are trying to accumulate as much API3 as possible while the prices are low, as we are in this accumulation phase. And then boom, once we start hitting those tier 1 exchanges, the price is going to start skyrocketing. Maybe these whales will start dumping and trying to reaccumulate. But overall, I see much higher highs for this asset because it is one of the assets that I hold that is yet to even do anything. And the average person's only going to buy API3 or other assets like this after they've already gone up 10x. Remember, they're already connected to 400 APIs, including HSBC, which is one of the largest banks in the world, spoken on the Ethereum Alliance YouTube channel. With a 10-year partnership, this is something that has longevity. They don't care about marketing, they care about professionalism and adoption. And if you guys haven't seen this news, they're joining forces with El Salvador. Just like, remember, all the hype with Bitcoin and El Salvador, even making these announcements, well, API3 is involved. Maybe I don't care about trading Bitcoin to make money in this space, but I'm absolutely interested in API3.
All right, so very good information from Kevin Cage. Kind of hard to follow up from him. He's very talented. I love Kevin Cage, good videos. So that's very bullish on API3. In that clip, he's talking about, in that video, somewhere in that video, he's talking about API3 going to $1 billion market cap. I believe that can happen, yes. Currently, API3 on coinmarketcap.com. Check this out. Market cap, 148 million. No, it's not as small as like antimatter that I grabbed the other day. I think antimatter recently was only at 5 million market cap, so that's a real small one. But the market cap only at $147 million. A 10x would only take it to 1.4 billion, and a 10x would run you from $4 to $40 on a 10x. So that would be very nice. Currently, my API3 is staked on API3.org. So all you do is you go to API3.org. Then you click token. I believe you can still stake. I believe you can. They were looking for a certain amount, but I believe they can still do it. So you click the token. You scroll down. Insurance pool. Annual rewards right now is 45%. When I put it in there, originally it was 54%. So pretty good APY. I believe you get it every week. You get your free coins every week. That's what I've been seeing. So you click go to app, scroll down, launching with ETH link, and then you connect your MetaMask. You just have to get your API3 from KuCoin into your MetaMask, and then you connect wallet by clicking up here, and then it puts it in here. Now, if I don't connect my wallet, it's not going to tell me the percent of target met. I believe you can still stake on this website. Let me know in the comment section below. If you can't, I'm not sure. I'm not going to connect my wallet and show my balances live here right now, but the target, they had a certain target and it did reach 100%, and then it went to like 101%, 102%. And so I believe that that was just their target, but they're accepting more into this staking pool on their official website. So that's cool. And let's do a quick API3 fib. Let's draw this out. So all we got to do is remove drawings. Go to the daily. Zoom out a little bit. Take a look at what it's done. Pull the fib. Wicked all the way down to here and had a previous high around $10. Pull the fib. What do we have here? Boom. What do we have here? We have a target, a first target point of $34, the 1618. I believe that can happen in this bull run. Why not? Many coins go to the 1618. I've talked about that in length in many of my videos. That is very common. You have Solana and you have other coins like Luna. You have Luna here. You have Solana up here. You have a lot of coins past their all-time high like Cardano and past their previous all-time high that have passed it, like Cardano went to 308 and its previous high was 246. So a lot of coins have made it past their all-time high. You know, you have corrections back, but like HBAR and Algo, you know, they definitely passed their previous all-time high earlier this year. So that's where we have API3 going at least in this bull run to $34. That's my call on that. It could be one major announcement by Grayscale or by Cardano, or just If Cardano's going crazy and Charles Hoskinson starts talking about API3, that could also contribute to it. API3. Who is following API3? Kevin Cage is following API3. Martin Volk is following API3. KuCoin, I don't know if this is their official page or not. Is it? Yes, it is. They are following API3. Emergo, and look what do we have here at the bottom here. Who is following API3? Charles Hoskinson, 724,000 followers, the genius behind Cardano. And we have King Solomon also following API3. We are bullish on API3. So, that is where I see API3. That's my take on API3. It could even go crazy and go to the 2272. It just depends, you know. There's so many factors in this space. So many factors of where it's going to go in the bull run, but up into this range is definitely believable. So, that's my price target on the 1618, $34, very possible, and rather likely, very likely, if we get a big bull run, even in just a good bull run, 1618, $34, API3. That's going to be it for this video, guys, and we will see you in the next one. Click subscribe below, please, and thank you to all my subscribers so far. That's it for this one. We'll see you in the next video. See ya.